So hey everyone, I'm back again with another video. So today we got this another port ROM because like a few ports were lagging. We found lags in HyperOS 3 port. So finally this another Vulkan ROM is here and people say it performs amazing. Let's test this video and start it. Let's just, by the way, this is Poco X6 Pro. You are watching Tech Anusandhan. Let's get started. So I have been using this ROM since like today is the second day and I did run Antutu. We do know that Antutu is not the real numbers, but we do get 13 lakh, which how much we get in stock ROM as well. By the way, I did run more tests, like I did play BGMI and other. Let me show you the new island and everything else. This is the new dynamic island and it is working fine, as you can see. And by the way, let me add few more. This was compass. Let me start recording. By the way, in this they removed the AI function, like that Chinese version in which everything was in Chinese and we were not able to understand, so they just removed it. And they even removed the transcription here, and you can't even activate it. By the way, this dynamic island is working fine. I have tested everything out. This ROM feels very smooth compared to that one. See, can you see the smoothness, how smooth it is? It feels amazing. Basically this is the same port, 3.0.0.14, and if you go here you will see octa-core 3.35 gigahertz 12, and this is 512 GB variant. It comes with Android 16, same. So now we are going to run BGMI and let's test how it performs when it comes to gaming, because we do love gaming, and let's test the gaming and everything else. By the way, it comes with the Gcam and Gcam is working fine and it feels amazing. This camera is working stable and it's good. You don't get higher FPS unlocked or unlimited Google storage. You have to flash modules. I even rooted. By the way, in this device as well you have to do device ID registration. I have created a video, go watch it. By the way, if you want to flash it, I have created a video, go watch that video too. It's very easy. Just run the BAT file and then connect in a fastboot mode and just type Y and it will do a clean flash, and you don't need to flash any module to fix dynamic island or anything because it comes with fixed everything. By the way, this ROM also have the same bug that we get in the previous one, that was fingerprint is not working. I have tested face unlock is working fine in my device. Few people say that face unlock is not working. I don't know why they face this, and everything is same as the previous one. Even though wallpaper, we do get AI wallpapers. You can create your own AI wallpaper, dynamic wallpaper or anything like that if you wish to create. So let's play a BGMI and test how it performs when it comes to gaming. Let me turn on FPS meter here. So I'm going to play a BGMI. I'm gonna play one TDM match and then classic. Stay connected. So finally game is loaded. I just went to get fresh. So let's get started. We're gonna run this BGMI. I hope it is clear and visible to you. Let me do. Here you can see FPS. चलो खेलते हैं. अभी दिखा रहा है 100, अब 119 हो गया. Apologies. This feels smooth. By the way, device is not heating my wheel. Let me run the temperature meter as well. People do ask me, why don't you run the temperature monitor? Let's get back. Now we can see temperature as well. Let me place temperatures here. I hope you can see the temperatures. Now it is at room temperature and I'm playing it. और एक मिनट में कैमरा सेट कर लूँ, ये ब्लर हो जा रहा है यार. Now I have just locked the focus. You can see FPS here 112.
Killing spree for the red team.
अबे 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 by the way, this ROM is not good for daily use because getting a strong entry is still not a easy thing in this ROM, and FPS is also dropping 109. But if it comes to X Power or any other AOSP ROM, it goes beyond 120, like chipak ke 120 FPS. Who was that guy?
The red team is in the lead. Killing spree for the red team.
Damn. You can see everything. Everything is on the screen, front of your eyes. I'm not hiding anything. Damn, वो पेल देता है मेरे को अभी. Thanks God.
Killing spree for the red team.
एक को पेलो, दूसरा इधर से पेल देगा साइड से. अबे ये साला शॉटगन ही लेके घूम रहा है.
The blue team doesn't have a lot of time left.
लग रहा है मैं फूफा की शादी में घूम रहा हूँ ऐसी टाइम पास करते हुए. यार खेल ही नहीं पाया. लेट मी प्ले वंस अगेन. By the way, you have seen the performance. It goes between, if we see here, it is not 120. It goes between 100 to 115. It says average is 113. I hope it's visible. So this was the BGMI. Now I'm going to run Erangel. We are also going to see hot drops. What happens when it? So I started Erangel. You can see temperatures is already raising like crazy. I hope it's visible. Already it's 100 FPS, or if there would be any other ROM, it would be going 120 easily. But it doesn't feel that much hot, that much it is showing here. इतना गर्म लग नहीं रहा जितना यहाँ लिखा हुआ है. तेरा 43 CPU 77, पता नहीं क्या नशे हो रहे हैं भाई. 19 बंदे ऑलरेडी दिखा रहा है. Fuck you. देख लो FPS 76 है. उसको भी किसी ने वहाँ से पेल दिया भाई. यार मौका ही नहीं मिला। एक बार और,
Help!
एक बार और जाएंगे हम। एंड आई डोंट केयर अबाउट। अभी भी देखो, हाँ 107। दिस इज़ रॉन्ग। बाय द वे, आई एम नॉट अ प्रो प्लेयर. इफ़ यू थिंक if there would be some other guy, he would have killed many people. I did feel a delay kind
Watch
of.
out! I need a weapon.
By the way, sound is amazing in this. You do get Dolby Atmos. I guess now I'm geared up and ready to go.
Help! Watch out! Please recall me. Got it. Let's go.
वो मेरे पास है 4x पड़ा है. Now I started feeling like device is heating up. थोड़ा बहुत तवे जैसा फील आने लगा. I don't see anybody.
I'm recalling a teammate. Thanks.
On the event it goes 95. I'm still not inside the event. There's only 7 players and still it goes 100 FPS. X Power would be performing more better. I saw a vehicle sound. I heard. I'm still not fluent in English by the way. चढ़ जा भाई, चढ़ जा, चढ़ जा.
Let's go. Watch out. Awesome.
this guy with the shotgun.
Awesome.
I do know I'm not a good player.
Awesome.
I can recall them.
This ends now, Megatron. Prime still breathes. How tedious.
Why can't I turn on beacon here? Your time is finished. कौन चढ़ गया? अच्छा अपना ही प्लेयर है.
Autobots, roll out.
Watch out. Let's go. Please recall me. Help. Help.
Where's the guy?
Help.
चिन्नम्मा गाड़ी लेके रिकॉल चले जा. चिन्नम्मा गाड़ी लेके रिकॉल चले जा. रिकॉल. चिन्नम्मा गाड़ी लेके रिकॉल चले जा मेरे भाई. चिन्नम्मा रिकॉल चले जा गाड़ी लेके भाई. रिकॉल
मैं
रिकॉल.
पॉज कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है? क्लच पे दोबारा एक्टिवेट कर रहा हूँ. So this was the gameplay. छोड़ो. By the way, this is not good for gaming, but you can do 90 FPS gaming amazingly with this ROM, but 120 I don't suggest it. You do get better NT2, doesn't mean the ROM is amazing. By the way, temperatures you can see it went to 46 was last, and then it was stable. Then it was drawn down to 40. It went highest was 46, then it was gone down to 40, and then 39, 38, and it doesn't feel warm now. I played the whole match and then I'm back, and there's nothing new. By the way, you do get a new file manager and you do get a new animation here, and even there is new animation in these notes as well. Not just notes, you get a new calendar and its animation. If you switch here, like see, if you go here and then go to the month, see how amazing it is. But this is all in Chinese. Let's wait for its global update and global ROMs Hyper 3, and then we'll see so many more port ROMs for this Poco X6 Pro. By the way, I do make videos like this. Please do subscribe, do like this video, and if you want anything new, just comment down. I'm gonna make a video. I'm trying to make videos more better. Thank you so much for watching.